Okay, cleaning the SVDS. First I need to remove the optics, and on this rifle it's really tight. There's a lever here, just put it down and then remove the dust cover with the recoil spring. And the bolt is like an AK bolt, just falls out. I need to fold the folding stock, and it's really fucking tight. That's why you always keep a rubber hammer ready. Okay. Now that's off. Now you have access to the internals. I'm not going to remove the trigger mechanism, but it's really easy to do. Time to put some lotion on its skin, also almost said what I did. Should be enough. And now for the fun part, to remove the handguard, because I've been firing corrosive ammunition out of this. You're supposed to be able to do this with your hands, but yeah, it's really tight. Military versions are perhaps really sloppy, so you can get to the stuff really easy, but not this one. This is super tight. Very fine tolerances. And the gas piston system is a bit awkward to remove. Let's see if I remember how to do this. Oh, that wasn't that hard. And then the piston, yes. I'm just gonna soak this to remove all the corrosive salts from the corrosive primers. And a bit in here as well. That should be enough of that. I use a bore snake for the barrel, because I'm lazy like that. I do have brushes and tools and dewy cleaning rods and everything, but I can't be bothered. And once more for good measure. Good enough. Let's take a look at the barrel, and no dirt in there. Looks nice. Just gonna remove excess ballistol oil from this, and most of the dirt at the same time. I use one of those microfiber cloths for this, and then I just run it through the washing machine. So we put this together the same way in AK bolt, like that. Okay, let's see if I manage to do this the correct way again. Okay. Yes, I always forget which order to do that. This is a bit awkward to put back together again. Let's see if I can do this on camera without making a fool of myself. Oh, come off. Okay, that wasn't so hard. Okay, still gonna need a punch for this. The lever goes underneath this ring that goes around the handguard. Okay, and just as with an AK, you put the bolt in the bolt is forward in the bolt carrier, and you put the bolt into the rails and then you just push it forward. And then put this back. Make some holes in the trunnion and corresponding slots in this. Am I doing this right? Yes, I am. Function check. Ah. A bit cleaner. This rifle is meant to be used, but I still put some tape here because the extracted casings bang against this, just to save the finish of it. But yeah, that's about how I do it. Everything is possible with a rubber mallet.